In this video, we'll see how we can extract the text from a entire Qwen Windows chat and then paste it in a Qwen model running locally using Olama. So I'll start this Olama, run this model with think equal to false. Think is false so that it will straight away give us the response instead of thinking. And for extracting the response here, I will right click, inspect. I choose this selector and point to the place where it covers all the response area. I think this covers question as well as the response. Yeah, this is the one that covers only the response area. I'll take this. Now this will be available in $0. So if I go to console and type $0, it will give me that element. If I do $0 dot inner text, give me all the text inside that. I can copy it. It's got copied. Now I can ask it the first question. List out all the file names needed to be created. This response along with its path. Assuming files are getting created, created at a path. Okay. Apply just the file name with path without any explanation or extra text. Each file in a new line. Okay, this is the content. I'll paste the content that I copied from console. Since it's running in locally and using the local RAM, which is 8 GB, for processing this big response, it will take some time. So I'll pause for a while. The response started coming, but it did not follow all the instruction. It is returning kind of summary where I asked it to just return the file names. Let's see if at the end it returns. No, looks like it is full on writing a summary again for the response prompt I gave. Let's fix that. We'll add again. Just return the file names with path needs to be created. Nothing else. At this time it returned a file name, but this is just one file name it returned. Probably it looked at this one. Return the file name. Let me modify it again. Here I need to modify few things. Just return all the file names with path that needs to be created. Make sure Java file case file name case is matching the class name case. Do not turn anything else. So response is coming now. It's giving me exactly what I asked. So this could be a baseline for an application or a Chrome extension that First, that can be running on the qwen tab, and on clicking on it, it can list out the file name that needs to be created. Then we can have one file created, clicked to get it created, or a button that does it for all. But doing it step by step with a locally running LLM will be much better, because that way we can use a smaller model. Next prompt I can ask, give me the content of order.java, then give me the content of order service.java, notifications.java. I can do one more thing. I can ask it with the return with the package name as well. So that way I will know where to place order.java and where to place order service.java. Let me try that as well. Return all the file names with, instead of with path, package. So this time it is returning class name and package, not the file name. It is still not in a format that can be parsed easily, because it's difficult to tell whether it is a Java file or something. And here it returned config, so I will have to modify the prompt. Let's try this in Postman. I have this Olama API's path localhost at this port it runs when you install Olama. You can pass a model name and your prompt. So let me modify this and resume. So I modified the prompt a little bit. Let me hide this collection. So in the starting for the prefix, I just added a read this, and at the bottom I'm asking it just return all the file names with package that need to be created. Make sure Java file name case is matching the class name case, but the Java file name should also have a .java extension. Return a JSON structure with this data, which will be a list of objects, each containing file name, path attribute as mandatory, and for Java files, have a package attribute also. Just return the JSON list, nothing else. This one returned me a JSON. Here it's containing the new line and tab character, so it's not that much readable. So I copied it in a browser console, declared a variable a, then console log json.parse a null 4. 4 is the 4 tab space used for making the JSON pretty. So this is what, okay, actually I should have used that for json.stringify. Json.parse takes just one argument, so basically it is parsing and returning. This null and 4 is not required. So in fact, so you can see this is the exact structure of data that we needed. It returned the file name and the path and the package. This is for Java files. Let's see for one of the non-Java. Okay. Looks like this time it did not return a non-Java Java file. There was one YML file that it did not return. Yeah, so then still some refinement is needed for returning all the files, but at least we have a better structure that can be used.